Pea soup. Gather the ingredients: dried split peas, dill, garlic, other seasonings, potatoes, onions, meat, and broth. First, the peas. Wash them thoroughly. Feel that split pea goodness all over your hands. Into the pot. Next, we will add some delicious chicken liquid. Yummy! I love the sloshing sound. Potatoes are next. All clean. Peel those potatoes. Slice those potatoes like a ninja. Now for the onions. All done. Acquire some meat, any kind will do. Perfect. Add in random seasonings, then the garlic or celery seeds, and an ungodly amount of dill. Stir until boiling, then cover and let simmer for between 2 and 4 hours. Eat this now or else I will find you.